get over here! He's going slow! Well, so we have a train here at Parklington, of course. Hey, that's the 121!
It is.
Is it really?
Yep.
Wow, it looks like we have a flag at the end.
Instead of a blink.
No, they still have the blink.
Oh.
We still have the one from Dale's to Dale's. Man, that train line at Ridge Highway still hasn't changed. Daddy, it still hasn't changed.
Huh.
Wow, it sure does sound like I can hear the one coming from Dale's. It might be a little bit.
What? Look.
It still hasn't changed. See it?
Yeah. Green and yellow, right?
Yellow and green.
Yellow and green.
I think we got another one coming. Look at it down there.
At Parklington?
No, look at it down there on that shadow. Is that really another one? Oh man, is that guy gonna stop? No, he sure didn't.
He sure didn't.
Well, the light changed. Yeah, but sure does look like we got another one. Look at it down there. Down there.
Yeah, I know. Well, I don't see anything.
That shadow is something.
Is it?
Yeah, but he must be going slow. Let's walk up here. See the hell it appears. Oh, I think there is one coming again. Well then, if that is him, after him, the eastbound should go by. Well, that's it for now.